Welcome to Life with Nisha. Alright, so I decided I was going to make me some Funfetti cake. My husband loves strawberry cake, so we go with strawberry with the vanilla frosting. So here I am pouring in the mix. And then pour in the water. And then the oil. And then we crack the eggs and get the eggs in there. So with this, all I do is follow the instructions on the box. And now let's get to mixing. I really do love this KitchenAid mixer that I've got. It makes it so much easier. All right, now that that is done, we can get it into the pan so we can start the baking. And here's the pan, already greased, and adding in the mixture. All right, so I'm just trying to get all the little bubbles out, get all the air bubbles out. And now it's time to put it in the oven. Now that it's out the oven and it has been cooled, it's time to put the icing on. So here's the top layer. And then I'm going to put the icing on. Alright, so that wasn't really working for me, so I decided to get my turner and put the cake on top of that, which I should have did in the beginning. And I was just being lazy. So now here I go, getting the frosting on and making it simpler to actually turn it. So here I am finishing it up, just getting the sides completely coated. It is done. And here's the finished product. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more Life with Nisha.